Sonny getting your boy. Hey, Sonny, I got that lollipop for your sister, dog. Let me see what this is. Who's this is? Ah, fuck that. Anyhow, hey, who the fuck is it? Nah, I ain't stressing that. Anyhow, Sonny, I got this sucker nigga for your sister. I'm just playing, dog. Tell Jade I said what's up. Anyhow, what's up, Lacey? I don't know what's up with that. What's up, Valerie? Talked to you this morning when I first woke up. I hope your day is good. Hope work is fun up in New Jersey. New Jersey in the house. What's up, Christina? Don't teach them kids nothing bad. Don't teach them kids nothing bad. I'm sure you make a fine diaper changer. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Just now waking up, fixing to head down the bill. Trying to get motivated up. Anyhow, what's up, Sonny? Yo, I seriously need that webcam, dog, man. Damn, man. See, Frank the Tank came out. I know he was wondering what happened to your webcam. That's why I told you. Frank the Tank came out, son. It was like we was drinking that night, and man, the fucking thing was shaped like a ball, Sonny. So I was like, man, so I threw that webcam, yo. I threw that bitch, and it busted. Sorry. I'll get another one. But man, hell, man, you good. You bowling. So you good. You're good. Shit, me, I might have to go to work. That sucks. But anyways, I got that sucker for your sister, dog. Tell Margaret I said what's up. Man, I hope y'all fucking break a sweat down there and get a heat rash or something, motherfucker, because it is freezing up here. Look at your boy right here. It is cold outside. Anyhow, get at your boy today. Santina still ain't heard from you. I hope you didn't like fall face forward into a pile of blow and OD on me. But anyhow, hit me up. I'll return your call. I know it seems like I was dodging you, but hit me up. It seems good. Who else? I'm trying to keep it short and sweet, man, because it takes so long to upload these motherfuckers. And it's like we was going to do a special edition like Cribs edition today, but I just don't have time before I got to go. So thanks for that idea, Sonny. We'll definitely get that back. Irby, quit stealing my lingo, dog. I swear, you ain't for breeze, dog. You ain't breezy. Except when you got gas. And that's about it. Anyways, hit your boy up. My page is straight jacked up right now. I know I ain't got the turntables on it. I'm working on it. I'll get it fixed. I ain't got time this morning either. But hit your boy up. Hopefully I'm gonna go on this little mini vacation probably again this week. So get at your boy. I'll be here after 10:15 right now. I'm gonna dip on out and then I'll be here later on. Probably about noon, I guess, 1 or something like that. And then I gotta go to the chiropractor because your boy shit is jacked up still. That Rick jacked your boy up. Yeah, that's right. If you're watching this and you don't know or whatnot, your boy was in a serious fucking wreck. He got fucked the hell up. Don't drink and drive, kids. And especially don't take a bunch of bars. And don't take a bunch of bars and drink and drive. And leave when you're tired from the party without a sober driver, because you will end up fucked up. You will end up like me, and you'll have like this lovely little scar right here. You know, yeah, it sucks. But anyhow, get at your boy. That's what's up. Holler at me. I'm fixing to go see if I can't get me a new job, whatnot. Actually, I'm just gonna turn in his resume. Yeah, I know. I hear you laughing from Florida right now. Ha 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 ha. Kevin's got to work. Yeah, I know, it sucks. I'll let your boy get at me. What's up, Sunday? Stop. Crank them 454s for me, Sonny. You know what I'm talking about. That's what's good. Hit your boy up early. Stay off my shit. So, Christina. Yeah. Anyhow, hope to see you. Peace out, Lacey. Chill. Be easy with it. Alright?